Hi guys, and welcome to another ODNT review. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the camera backpacks by Tarion, known as the Tarion Zone. So we're going to have a look at that in just a second. Not a sponsor. I've got quite a few camera backpacks. Day packs, expedition packs, even the little over-the-shoulder bags, inserts and cubes. I'm looking for a balance of storage space, accessibility, comfort, all in a bag that I can use for an all-day shoot, whether it be run and gun or something with a bit of purpose. I want to be able to carry everything I need for a full day of vlogging or reviewing, perhaps some nice crunchy B-roll. So will this Tarion Zone be the one? Let's take a little look. So it's a little larger than your average day pack or city bag. You thinking what I'm thinking? Probably not. Let's do this anyway. So kit-wise, it gears up pretty well. I managed to get the camera in that I'm using, which is quite a large DSLR. The tripod, I've got a shooting grip, got all the batteries, got a drone on the top, and got a little pop-up beach tent as well, all in the back of the kit. So all in all, it does all fit in. There is a few quirks as far as organisation on the inside with the cube, but I'm getting used to it, and I'll show you the problems I've had in just a minute. So the plan is to head from here way over there towards up here. We'll get some aerial shots in that area. So on the inside of the little camera cube, I've got in my DJI Air 2S. So I've got a decent sized drone there, got the propellers on, flight controller, 2 batteries, 1 in the drone, and I've got some spares, some extra props, SD cards and the like. Hi guys, so backpack's great. Managed to get in tripod, water bottle, full set of camera gear. So that's camera, 2 lenses, a whole lot of filters in there. We drone on the top and a couple of bars, breakfast bar kind of things to keep me going along the way. Okay, so here we go with the Tarion Zone camera bag. Side pockets, all concealed, so you can zip that open. Bottle flap and net in there. I've got a sit mat. I did have my tripod running down this side as well and buckled in, but the camera's on the tripod for now. You've got a kind of little coin slot here as well for keys and valuables. It's not very deep, but it's just enough so you can get things close at hand. So on the back, shoulder straps, chest strap, and you've got some additional D-rings and small loops that you can use. It does have a waist belt as well. You can remove that completely, just unclips from the sides. You can take that off. You can store that inside and just wear it like a normal pack. There's a couple of magnetic clips here at the bottom, and concealed in the back, just underneath here, you might just be able to see then parts of the straps there. You have some crossover straps that you can bolt on extra kit to the bottom, and they just clip into the mag slots here on the other side. Little zip, and you've got your waterproof rain cover in there as well. So there's plenty of kit going on. It's nice and well padded, it's comfortable. Carry handle, which does give slightly on the top. And you've got these side mag slots. It's good that they don't detach to the side horizontally, but they do slide a little bit easily straight off the top. So what I did find is that even with just the tripod attached, stepping down off a bottom step was enough of a kind of vertical movement to dislodge this off the top. So I'm hoping I don't lose any of these. Okay, so let's have a look inside the bag. So from the top, it zips open almost like a Y shape, and that falls away, revealing 2 pockets on the inside here. The main part of the bag, I've used the little modular camera carry bag, the little shoulder bag that you get with it, and in there is got the drone kit. And then you have this, which is the camera cube. So this can actually just lift straight out of the bag, and then you've got the full open bag, which is hook and loop fastener on the inside that you can attach the modular pouches. So these pouches come off, and you can pretty much stick them anywhere that you want to inside of the case. So this little modular cube allows for side entry from the side of the bag. I think that this bag is more suited towards mirrorless, because I've got a fairly big DSLR workhorse, and with the optical viewfinder it doesn't quite fit in this gap. Now I can wedge it in, but it's enough just to deform the shape ever so slightly that all of these nice little divider panels, which just slot into the inside, fall down. When you do have these in, they work quite nicely. They slide in and out, up and down, but they're not attached with any kind of Velcro. So if you do pack a lot of items and you pull the bag apart, they will just fall through. So here's the side entry for the camera that I was talking about. But again, I've put a couple of pouches, stuck them on the inside of the door, and in there I carry wireless lav mics, receiver, cables, and a couple of spare batteries, again just on hook and loop fastener. Stuck them in there for quick and easy access. Okay, so for now that's a quick look at the Tarion Zone. I'm going to get this back on my back and I'm going to carry on getting in my aerial shots. thoughts after a full day out? Is it the perfect bag? No, unfortunately it's not. But is it a solid bag? Is it on the borderline? Absolutely. I think with a few design tweaks, this will actually be an awesome bit of kit to have. As I said before, there's just a few quirks which I think if they tidied those up, it would actually do for the full day, hold all my kit and do everything I need it to do. So all in all, it's a great bag. If you want to make a few compromises, a couple of adjustments, then it's going to do you well. I'm going to put all the links in the description below. If you're thinking of actually buying one or you have one already, let me know your thoughts by adding them in the comments as well. And that's all from me, so thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, for future offers and giveaways. Remember, get out there and try something new, because if I can do it, you can too. See you on the next one. Even just sort of like jumping off a bottom jumping down off a bottom because if I can do it, you can too. See you on the next one. Feel like I want to show like Bob the Builder or something like that.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.